Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video, we are reviewing different hot and cold mugs. If you are interested in this product, I'll put a link in the video description. So I already opened up the box because I wasn't sure what the package was. So as you can see, very stylish, very nice mugs with a large handle, which is great for someone like me that has bigger hands. Beautiful textured design. So the really nice thing, and it shows that the company actually cares about its product, is they shipped it in the styrofoam. A lot of companies don't do that, and what happens is your mug, cup, or plates, whatever you're ordering, ends up broken because it's not shipped properly. So this is what it looks like in the dark, and this is natural light. It's a cloudy day today, but this is how it would look in a cloudy natural light. This is how it would look indoors with the lights on. And now we'll have a little bit of coffee with our cream and sugar. So overall, we can give our final review and opinion. The mugs are huge. They are awesome. You know, for those mornings that you just need a large cup of coffee, or for those evenings that you just need a large cup of tea, or mornings for tea, or evenings for coffee. Either way, whenever you drink your drink, these mugs are very nice. The handle is very nice. Everything about the mug I love. The color, the design, they just work really well. So, I mean, I really do, I think it comes down to personal preferences as far as the handle being big. So my hands are big, but they're not crazy big. And you know, you could grab it like this, you could grab it like this, you can grab it with a couple of fingers. You know, however you want. You can grab it with your whole hand. You know, so if you have a bigger hand or smaller hand, it works no matter what. Let's say you got a huge hand. You could put 2 fingers in and easily carry the cup. You got a smaller hand, you could easily put your whole hand in, carry the mug. So overall, I'm very impressed with the handle, the style. You know, a lot of times when you look at mugs in the seams and the crevices, you can actually see where it's done poorly. However, on this mug, I find no imperfections whatsoever. I don't see any chips, I don't see any dings, I don't see any paint imperfections. These mugs are done perfectly. And that's pretty rare. That's a rare thing in my field, to find a mug that's actually done perfectly. So, in my opinion, these mugs get a 10 out of 10, which is a 5-star rating. Link will be in the video description if you are interested.